So guys, in today's video, I will tell you in Snapchat what is exactly is hold to replay or save option and how you can use this feature. So friends, in Snapchat, when your friend sends you a snaps, then you will see this kind of page where it is written hold to replay or save. So this option comes when you open a snap. So as you open, you will see hold to replay or save. And friends, the meaning of this option is that if you want to replay or save that particular snap, you need to tap or hold that particular notification. For example, if I want to replay, that means I want to rewatch or I want to save in the chat section. So then I will hold that or tap this notification. So guys, as you hold, you will see replay or save in chat. If you want to watch again that particular snap, you need to tap on the replay option. Then this page open. Then tap on the tap to view option. And if you want to save, then you need to tap on that option and then tap on the save in chat option. That particular snap will be saved on your chat section. So friends, I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.